Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link a file from Google Drive to Wix step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clean, clickable element on your site that opens a file stored in Google Drive, perfect for sharing PDFs, brochures, images, or any important resources with your visitors. First, make sure you have your shareable Google Drive link ready. Head over to Google Drive, locate the file you want to use, and right-click on it. Then select Share. A settings window will appear where you can control who has access to the file. If you want anyone visiting your website to be able to open the file, change the access setting to Anyone with the link and keep it set to View Only. If the file is meant for a limited audience, you can leave it restricted instead. Once you're done, copy the shareable link. This is the URL you'll use inside Wix. Next, go back to your Wix Studio Editor. In the top left corner, click the plus icon to add a new element to your page. You can attach a link to almost anything, text, images, or buttons, but using a button is usually the best option since it's clear and easy for users to interact with. Add a button to your page and place it wherever it fits your layout. Then, customize it to match your design by adjusting the size, colors, and font. Make sure to update the button text to something clear and action-focused, like Download, View File, or Get the Guide, so visitors know exactly what to expect. Now, click on the button again and find the link icon, usually shown as a chain symbol. Click it to open the link settings. From the options, choose Web Address, since you're linking to a Google Drive URL. Paste your copied link into the field and double-check that everything looks correct with no extra spaces. Once you're ready, click Done. That's it. Your button is now connected to your Google Drive file. When someone clicks it, they'll be taken directly to the file based on the access permissions you set earlier. If it's view only, they can preview it or download it, depending on the settings. If it's restricted, only approved users will be able to access it. To keep things user-friendly, always use clear labels and maintain a consistent design so visitors instantly understand where to click and what will happen next. I hoped you liked the video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple Wix tutorials.